The Aprilia Tuono 457 is a mid-capacity naked street fighter motorcycle that combines Italian design flair with high performance and a lightweight chassis. It is powered by a 457 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine with double overhead camshafts and 4 valves per cylinder. This engine is tuned to deliver a peak power output of approximately 47.6 horsepower at 9,400 rpm and a peak torque of about 43.5 Nm at 6,700 rpm. The powertrain is designed to comply with the A2 license regulations in many global markets, making it accessible for newer riders without compromising on performance. The engine is mounted within an aluminum twin-spar frame, which contributes to the motorcycle's excellent handling and low overall weight. The dry weight of the bike is about 159 kilograms, and the wet weight comes in around 175 kilograms, making it one of the lightest in its class. This results in a very competitive power-to-weight ratio, which enhances both acceleration and agility. Suspension duties at the front are handled by a 41 mm upside-down fork with preload adjustability, while the rear features a monoshock connected to a steel swing arm with adjustable preload. The suspension setup is tuned for sporty yet comfortable road performance, giving the Tuono 457 a balanced and responsive ride. Braking is provided by a 320 mm single front disc with a radial mount 4-piston caliper and a 220 mm rear disc, both controlled by a dual-channel Bosch ABS system. The ABS system includes a switchable front-only mode for riders seeking more control during spirited riding. The wheels are 17-inch alloy rims, with a 110/70 tire at the front and a 150/60 tire at the rear. These dimensions offer a good balance between grip and nimbleness, suitable for both urban commuting and weekend corner carving. The seat height is set at 800 mm, making it accessible for a wide range of rider heights, while the wheelbase is 1,348 mm, offering a stable yet maneuverable platform. The Aprilia Tuono 457 is equipped with modern electronics including a ride-by-wire throttle system, multiple riding modes, Sport, Rain, Eco, Aprilia Traction Control, ATC, with multiple levels of intervention, and a 5-inch full-color TFT instrument display. This display can be paired with a smartphone via the Aprilia MIA connectivity system for access to navigation and call management. Additional features include backlit switchgear and the option for a quick shifter, USB charging port, and tire pressure monitoring system. Fuel capacity is 12.7 liters, and the bike is expected to deliver fuel efficiency in the range of 25 to 30 km/L depending on riding conditions, providing a practical range of around 350 kilometers on a full tank. The ergonomics are upright with wide handlebars and a sculpted tank for knee grip, making it comfortable for daily use and weekend rides. The design of the Tuono 457 takes inspiration from Aprilia's larger displacement models, with aggressive lines, a sharp front end featuring a triple LED headlight cluster, and a minimalist tail section. It is available in bold color options such as Piranha Red and Puma Gray, enhancing its street fighter appeal. Performance-wise, the Tuono 457 is praised for its light and nimble character, strong braking performance, smooth gearbox, and comfortable yet sporty ride. While some riders might find the stock tires or mirrors a bit basic, the overall package offers premium components and riding dynamics at a competitive price point. This makes it an ideal choice for entry-level riders looking for a stylish, powerful, and well-equipped motorcycle with the pedigree of Aprilia's racing heritage. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.